Remitly versus Western Union. Which app is better for sending money? Welcome to the big showdown of money transfers. Remitly versus Western Union. Today we will witness an epic showdown between two titans of the industry. These two apps have revolutionized the way we send money around the world, but only one can be crowned the best. Get ready for a battle of features, fees and convenience as we find out who takes the crown. In the far left corner, dressed smartly and with a focus on online money transfer, we have Remitly. This app has quickly gained popularity among users looking for a fast and secure way to send money to their loved ones abroad. With its intuitive interface and promises of lightning transfer speeds, Remitly certainly isn't afraid to take on the giant Western Union. And in the right corner, with a decades-long history in the industry and a network of agents around the world, we have Western Union. This company has been a mainstay in the remittance industry since time immemorial. Its iconic physical locations and extensive network of partners have made Western Union the most recognized name in money transfers. But can he keep his crown against Remitly's challenge? Let's take a look at the features and benefits that each of these apps has to offer. Number 1. Speed. When it comes to sending money, speed is a crucial factor. Remitly boasts of its lightning speeds, offering transfers in a matter of minutes. Do you need to send money urgently? Remitly might be your best option. Western Union, on the other hand, while not as fast as its competitor, still offers reasonable delivery times, especially on in-person money transfers, which are virtually instantaneous. When we say that Remitly takes advantage of speed, we are referring to sending and receiving money entirely online, without physical intermediaries. Number 2. Rates. Money talks and rates speak even louder. Remitly offers low and transparent fees, which means there are no nasty surprises at the end of the day. With Western Union, fees can vary depending on the amount of money you send and the destination location. Who will win on this front? You'll have to do your math to find out. Number 3. Convenience. In an increasingly digital world, convenience is key. Remitly lets you send money from the comfort of your home, with just a few taps on your smartphone. Western Union, on the other hand, combines the best of both worlds, offering both the online option and the option to visit a physical location. Do you want an in-person transfer experience or do you prefer the comfort of your couch? The choice is yours, but Western Union is the company that gives you access to both services. Number 4. Coverage. Both apps offer extensive coverage in terms of countries and locations. Remitly can reach more than 100 countries, but the problem with Remitly is that you can receive money in several countries, but you can only send money from a few countries, and these are usually the most developed territories. For Latin American countries, sending by Remitly is practically not available. What is available is the possibility of receiving that money. Instead, Western Union has a network of more than 550,000 agents around the world. If you need to send money to a remote corner of the planet, it is likely that you will find a more convenient option with Western Union, with different methods and payment options. Number 5. Security. When it comes to money, security is paramount. Both Remitly and Western Union take protecting your transactions seriously. Both apps implement advanced security technologies and data encryption to ensure that your funds are protected. Additionally, both companies comply with regulatory requirements and have an established reputation in the marketplace. Now that we've covered the main features of each app, it's time to take a look at some common scenarios you might find yourself in and how each app performs in them. 1. Sending money to your family in another country. Remitly offers fast transfers and low fees, but it is limited only to developed countries. You cannot send money from Argentina, for example. You can receive it but not send it. If you urgently need to send money to help your family in an emergency situation, Western Union is the ideal option because it works the same way wherever you are. If you prefer the option of visiting a physical location and having an agent walk you through the process, Western Union may be a better fit for you. 2. Sending money to pay for an online purchase. Remitly offers the convenience of an online transfer, allowing you to send money directly from your bank account or credit card. Plus, its easy-to-use interface allows you to track your transfers and receive real-time notifications. If you're making a purchase online and need to send money quickly, Remitly can be your best ally. Western Union is not recommended for paying for items purchased in stores for security reasons. 3. Sending money to a remote destination without access to banking services. This is where Western Union shines. With its extensive network of agents around the world, you're more likely to find a Western Union location in areas where banking services are limited. This means that your loved ones in rural areas or less developed regions will still be able to receive money quickly and safely. 4. Sending large sums of money. When it comes to large transactions, fees can have a significant impact on your finances. Both apps offer competitive rates, but there may be differences depending on the country and the amount you're sending. In this case, it's a good idea to compare rates and calculate total costs to make sure you get the best deal. Ultimately, the choice between Remitly and Western Union will depend on your specific needs and personal preferences. Both apps have their strengths and offer solid solutions for sending money around the world. At the end of the day, the most important thing is that you find a money transfer platform that suits your needs and gives you the best possible experience. So do your research, compare and make an informed decision so you can safely and conveniently send money to your loved ones anywhere in the world. In this great Remitly versus Western Union duel, the real win is the ability to stay connected, support each other, and make it possible for money to get to where it's needed most. Both Remitly and Western Union have worked hard to make money transfers easier, breaking down barriers and shortening distances. Regardless of the choice you make, the true winner is the power to help others and strengthen family and friendship ties around the world. So, dear viewers, in this titanic showdown between Remitly and Western Union, there is no final verdict on which is the best app to send money. Both offer notable features and unique advantages. The choice depends on your individual needs, priorities and personal preferences. But wait, before the curtain closes, let me give you a few tips to ensure you have a successful experience sending money. 1. Research and compare. Before deciding on an application, research the rates, transfer speeds and coverage in the destination countries. Compare the available options and make sure you choose the one that best suits your needs and budget. 2. Read user reviews. Find comments and reviews from other users who have used both Remitly and Western Union. This will give you real insight into people's experiences and help you make an informed decision. 3. Check security. Make sure the app you choose has strong security measures, like data encryption and fraud protection. The safety of your funds should be a priority. The fate of money is in your hands. Good luck on your financial journey and may your transfers always come to fruition.